How to delete your post on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your post on BeReal. First open BeReal and now click on your post here, and now all you need to do just click these 3 points and then click delete my BeReal, and that's it. Now click yes, here is it, and click delete, and that's it. I hope that can help you. Now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.